I will show you how to do the local averaging with the multi-formula tool again. This is the work stream I have until here, and then you can see the result is for April, May, June, July, all the way. So assuming that we want to compute the average of the 3 consecutive months. For example, in May, we average those three numbers, those three. 9K, 8K, and 7K, and then two um, in June we also use 8, 7, and 7. So how can we do that? In Outreach, actually we can use the same multi-row formula here, and then I will call this one local average, and then I turn this one into double to make sure that we have the double precision numbers. Um, so I will take the average of the three. The first one is the value in the row before, and then the current rows, which is this one, and then the next row or the row after, which is this one. So this one is row -1, and this one is row +1. Okay, so after this, we can just divide by 3, and then we have the three number. Okay, you actually you can do the 5 point average as well. Later I show you how to do that, but as of now we just see how it works, and then uh, after this you can see here we have more we have this is the first one. So this one you can see is a little bit smaller, like 6K, actually 5.9K, which is 6K because it divide by 3, but then actually you can see numbers here, divide by 3, but then and these because the first one is 0, so so divide by 3, but then adding only two numbers, that's why this one is smaller, but this one is okay. I think this one is okay, and then so far the total is roughly about 8. So sometimes 7.9 and then 8. So basically this result is trackable. You can mm, you can check around the way as long the way as well, and then the last one will be also like 7.5K, which is or 6, because it also take the 2 here. So if you want to check, you can check for the 0 as well, meaning that if it's 0, then we divide by 2. So so in short, I will duplicate this formula in here, and then I fix the formula a little bit, and to show you the before and then the after, or at least we compare like for like the two. Okay, so in here, mm, if I have the this if this guy, as the first one is no now, if is now the first guy, and the second guy is now as well. So this is the case where we have only uh, then only one value, and then we don't have to average, we just return the middle one. The second one is one of them else. One of them is now, this one, or this one is now. Then actually this one is a little bit difficult because we don't know which one is which, so we have to test one by one. So this one is now, and then this one is not now. Then we just average the second one. So it would look like this. Then okay, let me break it down in 3 rows like this. It will be easier for you to follow. Okay, so this one is the case whereby I have this one is now, so I get rid of this guy, and then I divide by 2. So the other way around, which is which is this one is not now, and then this guy is now. Then I do the other way around. So I will plus -1 here, -1 here, because the first one is not, and then the last one else is our will be an if. Okay. Okay. I need to remove this guy because the formula is below already. Okay, so this is the totally 4 cases. This case happened only when one time when the our data set has only one row, and then nothing before and nothing after. This one deal with the last row, first row. Hold on. This one is the first row because the before is no now. This one is the last row because the after is now, and then this one is the average, the typical rows in the list. Okay, so I will show you the before and the after. So this one you have 5.9K. This one you can see is roughly because this one is 9K and is on 8.7, so almost 9K. So the average is like this. So in short, this one is a little bit more. It's a little bit better in terms of like for like comparison. Okay. So now I will show you the expansion of this one, which is the 5 point. So in here we just use 3 points, in which like the row before, the row after, and then the row the current row. Now I will copy this one like for like in here, and then I will show you the 5 points. Okay, in here. So in here, I will have the I only have the row before, one row before and one row after. So I need more because I want to use 5 points. So I increase this one to 2, and then you is this row -2, row -1, +1, and +2. So you can add in your formula here. Okay, so I will add -2, which is this one, and then plus, and then another one. I will add another one as the bottom here, and then this is the guys, and then divide by 5, not by 2, by 3, by 5. Okay, so hopefully this one will be smoother, and then let us check the result and then see how. Okay, so so far I think everybody else is fine, very smooth. But then this one uh, has a little bit a problem because it averages the 3 of them in here, uh, and then we need the other 3, but we don't have. Okay, and then this guy also the same thing. So this guy they have like 3 before but 1 after only. So the result is a little bit off like this, like 6.7K, right? So this happen when we don't have enough data for the first rows. Actually, the first 2 rows. I think 3 is fine. This one is fine because you use the current values here, and then -1, -2 is here, +1, +2 is here. So this row is fine. This is row number 3 is fine. This one is a little bit off. This one also a little bit off. Okay. Uh, so can we do the same trick in here? In here, the answer is yes, but then it will be a little bit difficult uh, a little bit difficult for us to keep track of all the values like this. So normally, what I do is I just add the 2 in front, at the same row like this, the 2 in front, and then the 2 after, I will add the same row, this row after, and then I have 5 in total, and then I ignore the last the last two and the first two. Let me show you how to do it with the same formula. This same formula. So I will do the same thing, and I want to branch it out from here, and then we can compare line for line. Okay, so I put the join button here, the union button here. It's not for union. It's just like to branch this one out to compare line for line. Okay, so I have another branch here. Uh, and they are the same thing at the moment. Okay, so because I just copy and paste, so this one and then this one, they are actually the same. Input number 9 and input number 12 here, they are the same at the moment. Okay, so now if I want to fix this one a little bit in order to make sure that it's line for line, I just uh, place one before, two before, and two after. Okay, so I will do this. Let me break this one down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then uh, deal with them one by one. Okay, so the first one, I want to check if this one is 0. If it's now, then okay, hold on. I need to change this one into now. Uh, then I will replace with val. So basically, I copy the current one, and then else I will copy this guy over in here, and then and if. Okay, so this one is a fair comparison for all. So the second one is the same thing, but I don't want to like type the whole thing again, and then I just replace this one by copying the first row in front, and then I change this one to -1 and then -1 in here. So I don't have to do anything. So the same thing happened with those guys, those two as well. So that's why I can copy. Actually, I can copy those two all over here. Okay, uh, and then I have this one, I have to +2 and then +1 in here, and then +2 in here, and then +1 in here, and then I have 5 of them already, and now I need to average them. So basically this one will be from here to here. Okay, so I just I give some indentation or some space in front here in order for you to see. It doesn't change anything in terms of values, but it would give you the different look for the formula, and then you can see 5 components of the average. Okay, so so after this, you can see actually even for the first row and then the last row in here, the values are quite comparable or like for like. So it depends on the data, but normally for the business monthly data, the value supposed to be quite similar to each other month to month, unless you have like downtime, some downtime in your business seasonal or fluctuation in your business. Otherwise, there should not be any like very different in from month to month. Okay, so this is hopefully after this you know how to perform the local averaging with the multi-formula row, and then you can do 3-point averaging and 5-point averaging as well. And then if you want like not 5-point but 7-point, you can do the same thing. Actually, this one can extend to 7-point as well. It's just like copy -3 here and +3 here, and then you are done.